This is your permission slip to stop hustling and start honoring your capacity. You don't need 10 hours a week to build momentum on YouTube. You need a gentle consistency plan, one that lets you post weekly without losing your peace or your joy. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tammy, the Unmuted CEO, and I help mompreneurs just like you show up and grow without burnout. If you've ever said, I want to be consistent, but life keeps lifing, this episode is your reset button. Let's get you sustainable and seen. Now, consistency isn't just posting every single day, 24/7. Consistency means being reliable, holding yourself accountable, and showing up with ease. It's doing what's realistic for you in whatever season you're in and letting that be enough. Gentle consistency honors your energy, your motherhood, and your life because burnout doesn't build brands. Building boundaries do. So here's my 90-minute weekly flow. Brain dump topics. Pick one that fits your mission and your mood. Line 3 to 5 bullet points. Not a novel, sis. Now, stage your space. Check your mic and open Riverside. Load your bullets in the teleprompter. Pray and prep your spirit. Record in sections. First, your hook. Next, your value, your bridge. Then, your call to action. Drop markers between each to speed editing. Use Riverside's remove filler words and remove any gaps. Upload, write a caption, schedule, and done. Just 90 minutes, once a week. You just brought your time back. Don't just post random videos. Post a series. Each one feeds the next. So your audience keeps binging and the algorithm keeps blessing you. Say it with me. If it isn't sustainable, it isn't consistent. You don't earn rest by burning out. You protect your anointing by pacing your output. Now, download your gentle consistency checklist. The link is below. Print it, tape it to your wall. Then watch my next video, Riverside in 90 minutes. I show you exactly how to batch 2 videos in one sitting because consistency isn't complicated. It's just planned peace. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed what you see, let's build a movement. Comment unmuted below. Let's keep this chain rolling because consistency is key and the key works. If you don't believe me, try it.